Hello guys, still your boy Sensimo. Yeah, this video I'm coming to teach you how you can play the new playground how do you call it game that Hamster brought to get more keys. So as you can see, I have like 10 keys already. Yes. So now when you log into your account or when you come to your Hamster page, you click on the key over here. See the keys over there. You click on it. When you click on it, it will ask you for what? The redeem code. You don't have the code, so you have to play the game first before you get the code. So what you do is you click on go to games. Okay, click on go to games. Okay, you click on go to games. So now this is what will come. Okay, this is what will come. Okay, so you just click on the this one. Okay, when you click on it, it will ask you to what to play and redeem and whatever. Okay, so click on play. When you click on play, it will take you to your Play Store to download the how do you call it. It will ask you to download this game, no, Riding Extreme 3D. Okay, so when you download it, install, then you play. Okay, so when you play, when you are first timer, this thing will not show. This hamster sign will not show. This hamster sign, it will not show. Okay, so you have to be playing and playing and playing before it will show. Okay, when it shows, then you know that what you are at the right place. Okay, uh-huh. So what you just do is to click on what race. Okay, click on race. Click on race. Okay, then it will load. There are plenty adverts on the game, so you just click on no thanks. Click here, no thanks. So now they say what hold to accelerate, meaning you have to be moving your screen to be controlling your steer. Okay, you have to be, so you just click on it. And then the game will start. Okay, you just click on it to start. So you just be moving it. You just be how do you call it, moving your hand on the screen, and then you'll be going like that. Okay, you see the people you can be hitting them. Okay, these people, or you can hit them. You can hit them, I don't know, you can be hitting them. Okay, uh, you can be hitting them, and you'll be moving like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, uh, so I finish. Okay, after you finish, you click on this thing to stop the arrow. So you click on it. When you click on it, so now that's how you play the game. Okay, then you have to be playing and playing and playing. Okay, when they give me the code will show here. Okay, there's going to be some red thing. There's going to be some red thing here, so meaning that what, I've not gotten the code, so I have to keep playing until I get the code. So now I'm going to play till I get the code. Okay. So as you can see that there's some red thing over here on the hamster logo here. You can see that red thing. It means that what I've gotten the code now. So what I have to do is to click on it, and then the code will be here. I will copy it. As you can see, this is the code. It's only used one time, so you cannot use it twice. Okay. So you just click on copy code. After you click on the copy code, you go back to your Telegram app. You go back to your Telegram. Okay. You go back to your Telegram. You click on the keys over here. You click on the keys. You can see there's a space here that I'll paste the code. Okay. Then I click on what to redeem. So now I'll just paste the code here. Then I'll click on what redeem. When I click on it, you can see this what success over here. So meaning that what I've gotten the code and I've been able to unlock it. And when you check very well, you can see that my key is now what 11. Okay. You can see my key is now 11. So now when you go to the playground again, you will see that you need what when you need 4 keys a day. Okay. So I've gotten what 3 keys already. Okay. So left with what 1 key for me for the day. Yes. So that's how to get your code for the hamster playground. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.